Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to our session on customer satisfaction in call centers. Before we dive into the details, it's important to understand that CSAT is shaped by multiple factors, and they all work together. On one side, we have customer experience, how fast, effective, and empathetic the interaction feels. Then comes operational efficiency, the processes and KPIs that keep service smooth and consistent. Equally important is workforce performance, how well agents are trained, motivated, and supported. And finally, we have technology, the tools and systems that make every interaction smarter and more seamless. In this session, we'll break down each of these areas to see how they impact CSAT, and more importantly, how improving them leads to stronger loyalty, better brand reputation, and real business growth. Let's begin with customer experience factors, the front line of satisfaction. One of the biggest drivers is wait time and accessibility. When customers are kept on hold for too long, or if responses are slow, frustration builds quickly. In a world where speed matters, accessibility sets the tone for the entire interaction. Next is ease of resolution. If a customer has to be transferred multiple times, or if they need to make repeat contacts for the same issue, it erodes trust. Each extra step feels like unnecessary effort, and satisfaction drops as a result. That leads us to customer effort, a powerful determinant of CSAT. When customers are forced to explain their issue again and again, or navigate complex processes, they feel the burden shifting onto them. High effort almost always translates into lower satisfaction. In short, customer experience factors remind us of a simple truth: the easier, faster, and more seamless the journey, the higher the satisfaction. Now, let's move to first call resolution and the quality of resolution, two of the strongest drivers of customer satisfaction. Resolution accuracy is key. When an issue is fixed correctly on the very first attempt, customers feel valued, respected, and reassured. But when problems linger, or the solution doesn't fully address their need, satisfaction drops sharply. Every repeated call not only increases effort for the customer but also signals inefficiency within the process. Follow-ups and escalations add to this burden. The more times a customer has to call back, repeat their story, or wait for an escalation, the higher the effort and the lower the CSAT. Customers don't just want answers, they want the right answer, the first time. That's why improving first call resolution is often one of the most effective ways to raise CSAT. It reduces frustration, saves time, and leaves customers with confidence in both the agent and the brand. Next, let's look at agent behavior and communication skills, the human side of customer satisfaction. Courtesy and empathy play a huge role. Even when a resolution takes time, a polite and empathetic agent can turn a potentially negative experience into a positive one. Customers may not always remember the technical details, but they always remember how they were treated. A little empathy goes a long way in building trust and satisfaction. Equally important is clarity and knowledge. When agents are well-trained and provide clear, confident answers, customers feel reassured that their issue is in capable hands. On the other hand, confusion, hesitation, or lack of product knowledge can quickly erode confidence and lower CSAT. In short, agent behavior and communication are often the deciding factors. They shape not only the outcome of the interaction, but also how the customer feels about the brand long after the call ends. Now let's turn to service speed and average handle time, or AHT. Speed is critical in customer service, but balance is just as important. If an interaction drags on for too long, customers become frustrated. But if it's too short, the resolution may feel rushed or incomplete, leaving the customer dissatisfied. The goal is to strike the right balance, efficient handling that still feels thorough and personalized. Queue time is another key driver. Customers waiting too long just to reach an agent often start the interaction already frustrated, which lowers satisfaction right from the beginning. No matter how skilled the agent is, it's harder to recover once the customer's patience has been tested by long wait times. This is why monitoring and optimizing AHT and queue times is essential. Done right, it creates an experience that is both efficient and reassuring, directly lifting CSAT. Next, let's talk about call routing and transfer rates, two factors that can make or break the customer's experience. Accurate routing is absolutely critical. When a customer's call is directed to the wrong department or agent, it almost always results in unnecessary transfers. Each misstep not only wastes time but also signals to the customer that the process isn't seamless, and that quickly lowers CSAT. Multiple transfers add to the frustration. Every time a customer is passed along, handling time increases, effort goes up, and patience goes down. Customers don't want to repeat their issue again and again. They want to feel that their time is respected and their problem is being solved. That's why effective routing systems and well-designed IVR flows are so important. By getting the customer to the right agent the first time, call centers reduce effort, shorten resolution time, and significantly improve satisfaction. Now let's focus on technology and process efficiency, the backbone of modern call centers. When systems experience downtime or even slight lags, agents are slowed down. To the customer, these delays feel like inefficiency, regardless of the agent's skill. What should be a smooth interaction quickly turns into frustration, lowering satisfaction. Another common challenge is disconnected systems. When agents don't have access to a customer's full history or must toggle between multiple platforms, resolution takes longer. Worse, customers are forced to repeat their details multiple times, something that directly drives CSAT down. That's why investing in stable, integrated technology is so critical. The smoother the systems run behind the scenes, the faster and more effortless the experience feels for the customer, leading to higher satisfaction and stronger trust in the service. Next, let's look at channel effectiveness, a critical part of the modern customer journey. Today's customers don't just rely on one channel. They expect an omni-channel experience where the quality of service remains consistent whether they connect by phone, live chat, email, or even social media. If one channel feels slower, less responsive, or less effective, it immediately impacts their perception of the brand. Channel switching is another key driver of CSAT. When customers are forced to move from one channel to another, for example, from chat to a phone call, because the first interaction didn't resolve their issue, their effort increases and satisfaction falls. Each unnecessary switch signals that the service wasn't seamless. That's why effective channel management is so important. Delivering consistent, reliable support across all platforms not only reduces friction but also builds confidence that customers can get the help they need wherever they choose to reach out. Finally, let's discuss customer expectations and service level agreements, or SLAs. At the core of satisfaction is whether the service meets or fails to meet what the customer was promised. When expectations around timelines, responsiveness, or quality are not fulfilled, CSAT drops sharply. Even a small gap between what was promised and what was delivered can feel like a broken commitment to the customer. That's where service level compliance becomes critical. High adherence to SLAs, such as answering calls within a set time or resolving issues within agreed deadlines, strongly correlates with higher CSAT. Customers feel assured when they see consistency and reliability in the service provided. In essence, meeting expectations is non-negotiable. When SLAs are honored, trust is built. When they are missed, trust and satisfaction are quickly lost. Lastly, let's look at external and seasonal factors that influence customer satisfaction. High call volume periods are one of the most common challenges. During network outages, service disruptions, or even holiday peaks, customers often face long wait times and delays. Even when agents are doing their best, these external pressures naturally reduce satisfaction. Another factor is change within the business itself, such as new product launches or policy updates. While these are essential for growth, they often come with a learning curve. Agents may need extra time to adapt, which can temporarily affect the accuracy or speed of resolutions, and in turn, lower CSAT. The key takeaway here is that not all dips in satisfaction are caused by agent performance or poor processes. Sometimes, they are the result of external conditions. Recognizing these patterns allows leaders to plan ahead with stronger staffing, training, and proactive communication strategies to protect the customer experience. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.